Give it up, everybody, for Extreme Senior Shuffleboarding 2014. Oh, here goes Harold using his forward broken hip technique. As you can see, he uses the force to accelerate the mass of the puck, showing off Newton's second law. Oh, and here goes Agnes. She hits the puck at rest using her force, and the puck stays at rest until acted upon. This demonstrates Newton's first law of an object at rest stays at rest. And the crowd goes wild.
Keeping a fast speed will keep the bike from wanting to tip over sideways or falling off the side of the narrow trails. The bike will stay at a constant speed and moving in a constant direction unless acted on by either the wind while in the air or by the rider changing the direction and or the speed of the bike on the ground. When in air, before approaching a jump or a free fall, the biker needs to prepare by loading his energy into producing a force against gravity to have a successful launch. At the top of a jump, the rider directs a downward force into the jump to get the reaction of a higher launch. While in the air, there are factors that will affect the trajectory of the rider. When making the 72-foot gap jump, the shape of the trajectory is a parabola. The rider reaches his max height halfway through the parabola. For staying in motion, inertia is what makes the bike stay moving when the rider is not pedaling. The inertia of the rider going down the hill increases and allows the bike to accelerate without the rider putting force into the motion of the bike.
The entire principle of this pinnacle of personal fitness lies in the resistance that it induces. The machine pumps the weight up and down.
Oh yeah.
As you try and resist the forces completely, resulting in a super sweaty workout.
Oh yeah.
At a fundamental level, it's simply two vectors that oppose each other. As the weight is thrust upward, it is your job to propel a vector that is equal in magnitude and opposite in direction to the weights. Another function of the revolutionary machine is the off mode. You can recreate the dynamics of the original setting by yourself, solo, all by your lonesome, in a dark corner of your room, working on those arms.
The long jump is a sports game to show humans' ability. It needs two force to jump higher and go forward better than other athletes. Long jump looks like a parabola. In other words, they should control the angle and speed which need about good projectile. They need fast speed to conserve, jump and advance. Also, they should jump with 45-degree angle to record the longest distance. So if athletes want to get best record, they need appropriate harmony with angle and speed.